on, you're moving. What's it called? Wow. Do you need a little help to get to the top of the mountain? Here. Which way do you go? Here, hold on. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Can you do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good he's doing. Yay!